As cutting-edge technologies transform industries and our daily lives, it's crucial to address the ethical challenges that arise. And to share insights on cutting-edge technologies, the good, the bad, and the caution, we welcome a tech titan, Ms. Kate Ebinum, Executive Director, Prime Innovation Institute of Technology. Welcome to Insights. Kate, how are you today?
Thank you, Dr. I'm very, very well. Thank you for having me. My name is Kate Ebinum. I am the Executive Director for Prime Innovation Institute of Technology. We are a tech education business. I am a passionate tech enthusiast, innovator, and an advocate for making cutting-edge technology acceptable and accessible to everybody. Over the course of the years, we try to create solutions using AI, IoT that the everyday person can use. And that is what I am about. I love to simplify tech solutions.
Okay, wonderful. So you are the very, very right person to talk to about this. And let me start with my questions. So what are some of the most exciting tech trends you've observed in recent years? A lot is happening. Tell us.
A lot has been happening every year, like things that we didn't think was possible. I still remember when ChatGPT came up, we're all afraid, we're all scared. Now everybody's using it to do different things. But now we've gotten to the point where you have generative AI tools like DeepSeek, Midjourney, Sora, and they're all pushing boundaries of creativity and productivity. What makes them stand out is how they are creating innovative solutions for everyday people, not just tech experts. Those days you had to code, you had to understand how to write programming language. Now the average person can build, design, create things, create solutions like never before. Now what AI has done, it has brought efficiency, and basically it's about expanding the human imagination. So those trends we're seeing now. In the next couple of years, it will get better in terms of managing the difference between what is AI and what is human generated.
Now we're talking about AI then, artificial intelligence. It's been integrated into most or every of the industries. And can you tell us about the impact it's having on these industries generally?
To be honest, it's beautiful, especially because as Nigerians, we're very skittish about things like this. So you have AI in healthcare, you have AI in education, you have AI in finance, you have it in entertainment. In healthcare, AI has started to diagnose diseases. For example, one of my graduating students last year developed a software, an application that can determine melanoma based on skin melanoma just from the pictures to ascertain whether it's cancerous or not. And these are quicker than, a doctor that will look at it and decide, okay, we have to run one test this week. We're not sure, depending on, whether he woke up that day on the right side of the bed. It has reduced error and omissions. Now you have the area of finance. Cybersecurity is now a huge thing in the industry. AI algorithms detect fraud, predict market trends. The ripple effect we're now seeing is that we have new jobs, although we have new ethical dilemmas, and there's a shift towards personalized data-driven experiences. But also the demand has grown stronger for governance and transparency. It is a hot topic. It's now in almost all the industries that you can find. But the point where we're getting to now is that we need to be able to manage what is real and what is not, just because we're looking for efficiency.
These trends, are they shaping the future? And are there potential challenges or concerns for you particularly? Do you have concerns?
So there are quite a number of concerns, especially in the ethics area, and especially in the area of managing data, so that it is not it's already seen as intrusive. Some people believe that Meta and a couple of other companies are recording our conversations to give us adverts. those type of things. We need to be also cautious of over relying on tech, because data privacy is really a big thing. There's an erosion in the digital divide. There are
Yeah.
some people who would not go near any form of AI tools because they're not sure what marks they are leaving. So now the issues that have arisen is that you need to read the fine print. You need to know what your
Wow.
apps, what the apps are collecting from you before you use them.
Mm-hmm.
In the future, you would find some people might go back to traditional basis because of one or two exposures, because one way or the other, once someone has your information, your phone number, your email address, your preferences, the person has you, cornered. That is the specific challenge that I think we need to be wary of in the future. But in terms of integration to real life, come on, you can use AI tools to restock your fridge nowadays abroad. You can use AI tools to know when your car needs to be serviced. So it has come into our everyday lives. But I do not urge an over dependence on them. Yes.
Talking about the price tag, do you think all these innovations are accessible to the people generally? How affordable can they be?
So, when this AI trend started, it used to be very expensive. Now, imagine, how expensive mobile phones are now, especially in Nigeria. But competition has come in, and you are now seeing cheaper solutions and cheaper versions of different open source AI tools. Now you have a lot of tech companies coming in with small solutions that replicates big the big tech companies. So you're looking in the nearest future, it's going to be very affordable. Unfortunately
Mm-hmm.
for us in Nigeria, the currency does not help, because if an app is $5 a month, at some point that was
Mm.
1,000 naira. That was less than,
Mm-hmm.
it was money that you could neglect. Now it is not. So for us here, we might have an issue integrating and getting to that level where the average Nigerian uses them, because again, most of these things are charged in dollars. But globally, it is becoming cheaper
Yeah.
because, for example, that
Mm-hmm.
you have the Chinese version of an iPhone and you see it with random people, right? It's the same
Mm-hmm.
thing, because
Yeah.
the ideas are evolving on a daily basis. So that's just what it is.
Wonderful. So finally, what advice do you have for people, individuals who want to stay updated with the latest tech trends, and but they have this doubt in their mind, and they still want to make use of most of these advancements?
So first of all, you need to stay curious. We're in the business of education, so it is important that you are interested in learning how to use these tools, not just to acquire them, right? So you take online courses or physical courses. A lot of them are free to deepen your
Yeah.
understanding of it. Most importantly, you need to balance the excitement with a healthy mindset. Know when you are, going across board,
Mm-hmm.
because if you look at TikTok now, you find out a lot of people, their best friends is now ChatGPT. So that is a big
Mm-hmm.
risk. Also, not every trend is worth following. But once you understand what it is, then you can make better decisions. So
That's it.
again, stay curious, know what it is, know how to use it, know how to use it to benefit yourself as a person, your business, or your family, depending on, the things that are important to you. But always be critical of these things as well.
Thank you so much, Kate, for your time. Hope to have you more. Kate Ebinum is
Thank
the
you very much,
Executive Director,
Papa.
Prime Innovation Institute of Technology in Nigeria. Thank you so much and have a great day.
Thank you, Dapo. Thank
And
you for
that's all
having
on
me.
Insights
Okay.
and TechnyFire. See you next time. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kate. Bye.
Bye.